In this problem, let us see, actually many students feel difficulty in calculation of pitch factor. That's why I have taken three types. Okay, three types, in these three types anyway question can be asked. Okay, a 3-phase 4-pole 60 slots alternator, coil span is 1 to 12, then pitch factor is, and the winding is short pitched by 5 slots, then pitch factor is. If coil span is 11 by 12th of pole pitch, then coil span factor. Coil span factor is nothing but pitch factor only. Okay, so let us think of the first one. Coil span equal to 1 to 12. So if I have first slot here, one winding, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, okay, and similarly, maybe 12th slot will come here. At a 12th slot we are going to keep a dash. Okay, so this is going to be the winding, so this is going to be coil span. Okay, so how many slots coil span is there? 12 minus 1 is going to be 11. Okay, so coil span equal to 12 minus 1 is going to be 11 slots. Okay, now what we have to do, if it is 11 slots, how much is the coil span in electrical degrees has to be found. Okay, now let me calculate slot angle. Slot angle is going to be, per pole we are going to have 180 degrees. So 4 into 180 degrees is going to be total electrical angle divided by how many slots are there? 60 slots are there. Okay, 60 slots are there. So slot angle 4 into 180 by 60 is going to be 12 degrees. Okay, now what is coil span? Coil span is going to be 11 slots. Okay, so 11 into 12 is going to be 132 degrees. If coil span is 132 degrees, short pitched by full pitch is nothing but 180 degrees. So let us calculate short pitching angle epsilon is going to be 180 minus 132 is going to be 48 degrees. Okay, so if I calculate pitch factor now, what is pitch factor? Is going to be cos epsilon by 2 cos 24. Okay, so is going to be 0.9135. Okay, now let me take the second problem. In second problem, the winding short pitched by 5 slots, then pitch factor is. Okay, so it is short pitched by 5 slots. Okay, short pitched by 5 slots in the sense each slot angle is how much? Already we calculated previously, means is 12 degrees. Okay, short pitched by 5 slots means for example full pitch, and this is full pitch from here A to A dash. Okay, so A to A dash full pitch, with respect to this it is short pitched by 5 slots. Okay, so what is short pitching angle directly? Short pitched by 5 slots into 12 degrees. Okay, is going to be 60 degrees. So what is pitch factor now? Is going to be same, cos epsilon by 2 is going to be cos 30 is going to be 0.866. Let us think of the third problem. That is, if coil span is 11 by 12th of pole pitch. Okay, of pole pitch. What is pole pitch? 180 degrees. Okay, so coil span in C, let me think of coil span. Coil span is 11 by 12th, in the sense if 12 is 180 means 11th. So 11 by 12th of pole pitch. So it's going to be 11 by 12th of pole pitch 180 degrees. Is going to be coil span. Okay, so this is going to be 165 degrees. So it is short pitched by 15 degrees. So epsilon equal to 180 full pitch minus 165 is going to be 15 degrees. Under that condition, what is pitch factor? Is going to be cos epsilon by 2 is going to be cos 7.5 degrees. Okay, so the answer is going to be 0.9914. In this way we have to calculate pitch factor. It's actually simple.